Hi, good morning. I mean, good noon na ata. Oh, it's so maulan. Maulang Christmas. Gagala ko, makikipag-Christmas sa kung saan. Gala-gala lang. It's Christmas time. Christmas season. So, if you can see, it's really maulan. Maulan. Tapos wala akong payong. And I wear white shoes. Oh, it's wrong. It's really wrong. Naghanap pa ako ng panregalo. Panregalo! Sasali daw ako sa exchange gift nila. So, where will I go then? I don't know where to buy. So, akala ko ambon-ambon lang eh. That's why I didn't bring umbrella. But it's really pouring. It's really rain. Then after this, why blurry? Why it's blurry? Wait a minute. Guys, natakpan ng camera. La.
Pagayan, saan ba yung bangko na dito daw ko na?
Yan. Magkano palitan na? 182. Nothing to send naman. So I don't know what to gonna buy for exchange gift worth 5 KD. So I'm gonna go and check some stores. Bakit blurred? Blurred naman. So bye for now. Thank you for watching.